Lexi, how old are you? 9. Alan, what is that?
Oh yeah. Alright,
Come here.
Should we sing happy birthday?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lexi. Happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah.
Woo! That's some bad singing we got here. Come on, let's get these candles out.
Get where Alan is.
Otherwise, you have a boyfriend for every candle that's not burned out.
That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lexi. Be nice.
Well, that's kind of... What do you think? Do you have anything to say with your dirty face on your 9th birthday?
I don't know.
Okay, then.